Making a YouTube channel is a straightforward process, and you can do it in just a few simple steps. Sign in or create a Google account. To create a YouTube channel, you need to have a Google account. If you already have one, sign into it. If not, create a new account. Create a new channel. Once you are signed into your Google account, go to YouTube and click on the Create a Channel button in the top right corner of the screen. Customize your channel. Once you have created your channel, you can customize it by adding a profile picture and cover photo, creating a channel description, and adding links to your social media profiles or website. Create and upload videos. After customizing your channel, start creating videos and upload them to your channel. You can use your smartphone or a camera to record your videos. Optimize your videos. To make your videos more discoverable, you should optimize them by adding relevant keywords in the title, description, and tags. You can also add a thumbnail that represents your video. Promote your channel. Once you have uploaded your videos, share them on social media platforms and other online forums to promote your channel and increase your subscribers. That's it. You now have your own YouTube channel, and you can start creating and uploading videos for your audience to enjoy.